Although these two don't directly compete against each other in terms of specifications and performance, in Australia they are priced almost exactly head to head. The Boxster GTS is the most hardcore variant at the moment. It comes with the fashionable black exterior highlights, including for the alloy wheels, badges and exhaust outlets, while the interior is dressed in a club sport theme with suede upholstery for the hip-hugging sports seats. This isn't solely about luxury and pampering features. Instead, it concentrates on utter build quality and anything that supports driving precision. There's also a heap of driving modes to play with, and Porsche's latest touchscreen media interface on the dash. Unlike the Lexus, the Boxster is mid-engined and thus comes with two separate cargo areas. They combine to offer 275 litres. As for the Lexus, this is a show car that happens to be a brilliant driver's car. It looks stunning from almost every angle, and being a Lexus, you'll find plenty of sophisticated and very advanced technology here. This example is fitted with the carbon fibre roof option. But don't be fooled, this isn't a lightweight. It's over 500 kilos heavier than the Boxster. It's difficult to complain though, as you get some pretty cool stuff, like the enormous 21-inch alloy wheels, an electric rear spoiler, and even an electric boot lid. Inside, the decor of the Lexus is quite similar to the Porsche, with a suede-like upholstery, but from there it's clear this is more about elegance and design. Every fixture and fitting is stylishly crafted, with a complex digital instrument cluster for the driver, and an equally complex media interface on the dash. Being a coupe, the LC 500 does offer seating for 4. They are tight seats, but good enough for short journeys or for the kids, giving it a slight edge over the Porsche. Boot space is very shallow and rated at only 197 litres. This is a sizable disadvantage over the Boxster's twin boot setup. The powertrains are very different, although they are both rear-wheel drive. In the Porsche is a turbo flat 4, while the Lexus uses a naturally aspirated V8. This is what they sound like.